How to convert PowerPoint to a Word document. So if you want to convert the PowerPoint to a Word document, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PowerPoint. Once you open now, you need to simply go with a presentation. So for example, I'll be choosing one. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. So once you've chosen, you just need to simply go with the file which is on the upper left, go with save as, and then go with a location. So for example, I'll be choosing a location and save type as a PDF and then go with save. Now once you've saved, you will have this kind of interface, right? So once you've saved that, now you need to go back. Now you just need to simply go back and you need to locate the file that you have just downloaded. Once you've downloaded, now you need to right click on it and then go with open with. And under open with, you need to go for the option of choose another app. And here you need to scroll down and choose the word app and go with just once. And the presentation will be on your Word document. So that's it. That's how you can convert your PowerPoint PPT to a Word document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.